So guys, this is the part 2 of the set of videos that we are making. In this video, what we are going to show you is basically how to use the DualShock 4 controller as a mouse, one, as a scroll option by using the gyroscope and the motion detection that it has, and third, the coolest bit, how to use the DualShock 4 to watch YouTube 360-degree videos. So first let's check out the basic mouse function. So okay, I won't use the mouse, I'll just use this now. So once I go over the Chrome, if I do a double tap click, it's a right click. So I open new window and let's go to say GSM Arena, just to check out this website. Now I'd like to scroll, but right now I cannot scroll, oh my god. But I can do something, I can do a middle click, and then I can go down a little and I can scroll, because this allows the middle click, this profile, when you click on the top part, okay? And double tap is a right click and single tap is just a single left click, so news say, and it's a left click. But I'd like to make this a little cooler, so now I'll go into the DS4. Don't worry guys, I'm going to show you everything about how to set up these profiles a little later in this video. First let's try out the cool stuff. So custom scroll. Now custom scroll is on and you'll see my LED light just changed, right? And okay, custom scroll, and I'll minimize this. So now what do I exactly do with custom scroll? Oh my god, look at this. I'm scrolling by just tilting my controller. Isn't that cool guys? I mean, check this out. And you know what's even more nifty? I'll show you. I'll go into the options and I'll zoom in further, right? Oh my god, look at this. I can even horizontally scroll. So obviously nobody zooms in this much. But then there are certain websites where you actually have to horizontally scroll. So during those times, you can use this. So let's try out a video which has quite a few views, right? Dreams of Dali 360-degree video. Now before this starts, I'd like to first pause this and let's go into the DS4 again. Let's change the profile, custom 360, because I'm watching a 360-degree video, so that's what I named it as. Kind of made sense when I made it. Let's start. So how can I change this? I lock my mouse and check this out guys. I'm using the 360-degree, I'm getting the whole view by just using my controller. So remember the 360-degree video we made? It was, it was kind of cool. We could use your mouse, but then we were wondering how to make it more intuitive, and here you go. Using your controller, you can try out everything guys. You can try out everything and you can make the mouse move. And again, let's check out the other side. Isn't this cool guys? Isn't this cool? So yeah, this is another application where you can check out 360-degree videos by just using your DS4 controller. Let's go ahead and let's show you how to do this. Profiles. So the first profile is my normal games. In this one, if you see over here, uses mouse, the touchpad. So this is how you basically switch on the mouse function. I've switched on sliding on and I've kept the sensitivity at 17 because that's where I'm comfortable at. And I do not use mouse acceleration ever. So guys, if you can also please switch off your mouse acceleration. It's a terrible thing. Windows has it, so if you want to know how to switch it off, let me know down in the comments and I'll show you. It's a terrible thing. I want full control over my mouse, not my operating system controlling it half for me. So tap. So that's what I've kept it at 10. The sensitivity is 10, and double tap is also ticked, so I can essentially double tap with it. So it's going to sense double taps if I double tap. So this is my basic normal game profile. Now let's cancel and let's go into the custom scroll profile. Now this part you saw I tilted up and down the video, right? By just using my controller. So I went something like this. So every time I went like this, it scrolled up. Every time I went down, it scrolled down. So this is where I used the gyro option. What I did was I tilted it up. So tilt up means down, tilt down means up, tilt left means left, and tilt right means right. You know how to allocate functions to it? It's very simple. Click on tilt up, hit down. That's what I've essentially done. Tilt down, hit up. Now there is an axis inversion over here because that is the normal motion for me. So that's what I've done over here. Tilt left is left and tilt right is right. Right? So this is how I scrolled through all the videos. But this is cool, you can scroll through videos. Time for the coolest bit, the custom 360 profile. Now in this I have essentially remapped a few buttons. The first one is the X, the cross button. In the cross, what I have done is I have essentially mapped this with the left mouse button because I wanted to have an anchor point set in the video. For that, left mouse button is needed. But then if my gyro is always on, it becomes a little difficult. So I've used the gyro as a mouse button, but I've used a trigger in this case, and my trigger was the R1 button. So every time I clicked on the R1, right, I could use my gyro as a mouse. So essentially I used cross to fix the anchor point on the video, hit the R1 button and tilt it around, and thus I could explore the 360-degree video using just the DualShock 4. Now it's time to end the part 2 of this video. So hopefully you guys liked it. If you like this video, like this video. If you do not like it, dislike it. And most importantly, please subscribe to our channel down there. But more importantly, guys, this was just part 2. Now stay tuned for part 3. Here's a teaser. We're going to control a racing game with the motion detection that this controller has. And we're going to probably do a few more cool things. If you have any idea, drop them down in the comment section and we're going to try them out too. We are really excited to try more things with this controller. And yes, before I finish, if you guys have tried anything cool with the DS4 controller, do give a link of the video down in the comment section. We'd like to see what you are doing with this controller too. Over and out.